Hola a todos. Welcome to Spanish with Billy. In this video, we'll explore the top 50 conversational phrases. Repeat after me and don't worry about mistakes. Let's get started. Our first phrase is hola, which means hello. Ready to try? Repeat after me. Hola. Great job. Now let's try again. Hola. Excellent work. You're on your way. Let's learn how to ask how are you in Spanish. ¿Cómo estás? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo estás? Fantastic. Now let's give it another go. ¿Cómo estás? Great job. The phrase for good morning in Spanish is buenos días. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Buenos días. Well done. Let's try it one more time. Buenos días. Excellent. Keep practicing and you'll master it. As the day progresses, we switch to buenas tardes for good afternoon. Repeat after me. Buenas tardes. Excellent. One more time. Buenas tardes. In the evening, we say buenas noches for both good evening and good night. Let's practice buenas noches. Great. One more time. Buenas noches. You're a natural. Good manners are universal, and por favor, meaning please, is essential in any language. Let's practice saying it politely. Por favor. Great job. One more time. Por favor. Keep practicing. Gracias means thank you in Spanish. Ready to show appreciation? Repeat after me. Gracias. Perfect. Let's try again. Gracias. When someone thanks you, the polite response is de nada, which means you're welcome. Let's practice responding graciously. De nada. Excellent. Now respond with sincerity. De nada. Great job. Lo siento means I'm sorry in Spanish. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Lo siento. Great. Again. Lo siento. Sigh, the Spanish word for yes, is short, sweet, and essential. Ready to give it a go? Repeat after me. Sí. Fantastic. Let's try that again. Sigh, great job. Just as important as saying yes is knowing how to say no. In Spanish, it's simply no. Repeat after me. No. Great. Let's hear that again. No. Perfect. Time for a more informal greeting. ¿Qué tal? Which means what's up? Ready to try it out? Repeat after me. ¿Qué tal? Great. Now say it casually. ¿Qué tal? ¿Qué pasa? What's happening? Similar to ¿qué tal is ¿qué pasa? Let's practice this casual greeting. ¿Qué pasa? Well done. Now try it again. ¿Qué pasa? Great job. ¿Cómo te llamas? What's your name? Let's learn how to ask it in Spanish. The phrase is ¿Cómo te llamas? Ready? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo te llamas? Now that you know how to ask someone's name, let's learn how to introduce yourself. Me llamo means my name is. Ready to share your name? Repeat after me. Me llamo. Wonderful. Now say your own name. Me llamo. After introduction, say, nice to meet you, which is mucho gusto in Spanish. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Mucho gusto. Excellent. Now let's try again. Mucho gusto. ¿De dónde eres? Means where are you from? Ready to ask? Repeat after me. ¿De dónde eres? Now try it again. ¿De dónde eres? Great job. Keep practicing. Let's learn how to answer the question. Where are you from? Soy de means I'm from. Ready to share your heritage? Repeat after me. Soy de. Now say your own country or city. Soy de. It's that simple. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Means how old are you? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Now try asking again. ¿Cuántos años tienes? Great job. Keep practicing and you'll get better. Let's learn how to answer this. Tengo. Años means I'm years old. Ready to share your age? Repeat after me. Tengo. Años. Now say your own age. Tengo. Años. Great job. Hablas inglés means do you speak English? Ready to ask for assistance? Repeat after me. Hablas inglés. Now imagine you need help with English. Hablas inglés? It's a simple phrase that can open many doors. No. Hablo español means I don't speak Spanish. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. No hablo español. Now try it again. No hablo español. Great job. Keep practicing and you'll get better. Un momento, por favor means one moment please. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Un momento, por favor. Now imagine someone is rushing you. Un momento, por favor. Great job. Keep practicing. ¿Dónde está el baño? Means where is the bathroom? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Dónde está el baño? Imagine you need to find the bathroom. ¿Dónde está el baño? ¿Cuánto cuesta? Means how much does this cost? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Now imagine you're at a market. ¿Cuánto cuesta? Great job. Keep practicing. ¿Qué hora es? Means what time is it? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Qué hora es? Now imagine you need to check the time. ¿Qué hora es? Let's say it together. ¿Qué hora es? ¿Puedes ayudarme? Means can you help me? Ready to ask for assistance? Repeat after me. ¿Puedes ayudarme? Now imagine you need a hand. ¿Puedes ayudarme? Practice makes perfect, so keep asking. ¿Puedes ayudarme? Estoy perdido means I'm lost. Repeat after me. Estoy perdido imagine you need help. Estoy perdido ¿Qué recomiendas? Means what do you recommend? Ready to seek advice? Repeat after me. ¿Qué recomiendas? Now imagine you're at a restaurant. ¿Qué recomiendas? It's a useful phrase to know. ¿Tiene? Means do you have? Repeat after me. ¿Tienes? Now imagine you're looking for something. ¿Tienes? ¿Dónde está? Means where is? Repeat after me. ¿Dónde está? Now imagine you need directions. ¿Dónde está? ¿Cómo se dice? Means how do you say in Spanish. Ready to learn a new word? Repeat after me. ¿Cómo se dice? Now imagine you want to know the Spanish word for something specific. ¿Cómo se dice? Let's practice together. ¿Qué significa? Means what does that mean? Ready to expand your knowledge? Repeat after me. ¿Qué significa? Now imagine you come across a word you don't understand. ¿Qué significa? Let's dive deeper into learning. ¿Puedes repetirlo? Means can you repeat that? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Puedes repetirlo? Now imagine someone said something too quickly. ¿Puedes repetirlo? It's a useful phrase to know. Más despacio, por favor means slower, please. Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Más despacio, por favor. Well done. Now imagine someone is talking too fast. Más despacio, por favor. Learning a new language takes time and patience. ¿Puedes escribirlo? Means, can you write that down? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Puedes escribirlo? Now imagine you want to remember how to spell a word. ¿Puedes escribirlo? Try it yourself. ¿Qué es esto? Means what is this? Repeat after me. ¿Qué es esto? Now imagine you see something interesting. ¿Qué es esto? ¿Dónde vives? Means where do you live? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Dónde vives? Now imagine you're making a new friend. You ask them, ¿Dónde vives? Practice it often. Let's learn how to answer. Vivo en means I live in. Repeat after me. Vivo en. Now say the city or town. Vivo en. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Means what do you like to do? Repeat after me. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Imagine you're getting to know someone. ¿Qué te gusta hacer? Me gusta means I like. Ready to talk about your passions? Repeat after me. Me gusta. Now, say something you genuinely enjoy. Me gusta. It's great to see your enthusiasm. ¿Tienes hermanos? Means do you have siblings? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Tienes hermanos? Now imagine you're getting to know someone new. ¿Tienes hermanos? It's a great way to start a conversation. Tengo means I have. Ready to talk about your family. Repeat after me. Tengo. Now say how many brothers or sisters you have. Tengo. ¿Cuántos hermanos tienes? ¿Qué estudias? Means what are you studying? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. ¿Qué estudias? Now imagine you're talking to a student. ¿Qué estudias? Great job. Estudio means I'm studying. Ready to share your field? Repeat after me. Estudio. Now say your own field. Estudio. Trabajas means do you work? Ready to practice? Repeat after me. Trabajas. Now imagine you're meeting someone new and ask, ¿Trabajas? Trabajo en means I work in. Ready to share your profession? Repeat after me. Trabajo en. Now say your own profession. Trabajo en. Every job contributes to society in its own unique way. ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? Means what do you do in your free time? Repeat after me. ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? Imagine you're getting to know someone. ¿Qué haces en tu tiempo libre? En mi tiempo libre, me gusta. Means in my free time, I like. Ready to share your hobbies? Repeat. En mi tiempo libre, me gusta. Now say something you enjoy. En mi tiempo libre, me gusta. Great to see your enthusiasm. Adios, goodbye. Let's learn how to say goodbye in Spanish. Adios. Repeat after me. Adios. Hasta pronto. See you soon. Congratulations. You've just learned 50 essential Spanish phrases. From greetings to goodbyes, you're well on your way to navigating everyday conversations. Remember, practice is key to mastering any language. Thank you for joining me on this journey. Hasta pronto. See you soon for more adventures. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell.